If you like pickles, you'll love these. Can you hear that crisp? here's the finished product: spicy pickled green beans, or pickled spicy green beans, however you want to call it. But you can tell they sealed right because you can't get that pop up. See? You'd hear it clicking if it did, right? This actually seals pretty well. It's actually kind of hard to get open. Hear that suction? Means everything went well. Oh yeah, it smells delicious. This is actually about 4 months after I cooked them. Pickled them, I should say. And if you like pickles, you will love these. Can you hear that crisp? So good. If you cook it for 5 minutes, you'll get a really crispy bean like that. If you don't like crispy, if you like it really crunchy and soggy, you can cook it for like 10 minutes. But I don't know why you would. It's hard to describe the flavor because it doesn't taste like a pickle, but it doesn't really taste like a green bean. You'll have to try it. You can buy them in the grocery store, but they're super expensive. I think it's like $7 for a jar half the size of this. And so when you make it on your own, I think it's like, don't quote me, but I think it's like less than $1 per jar. But it's way cheaper and a lot better. Now you can just eat them like as a snack. Low calorie. I don't know if there's any calorie on it. It does have salt, but no fat. Just hope your spouse doesn't get mad at you for eating loud, crunchy green beans. My girlfriend loves them. Her family loves them. My family up there in Seattle likes them. You can eat them with salads. You can use them instead of using olive and green olives and olive juice for a martini. You can use these instead, or Bloody Mary. You can put these in there. Someone I knew said she eats them with rice. And she also said she eats them with anything. But they're really good. If you watch the recipe, it looks intimidating, but most of it's just sanitizing and then prepping the beans. That's the hardest part. That's the most labor intensive. But your labor will be rewarded. So I hope you like the vid. Hope you give it a try. And I guess I'll see you later. Peace. And have a happy Layze life. Next level. Layze.
Life for us is
Layze.
life for us. Static create, we get rich. Static says we get rich. It's
Layze.
life.